When analyzing institutional behavior in the market, the Smart Money Concepts Indicator by LuxAlgo provides a fully visualized framework, helping traders spot market structure shifts, order blocks, and liquidity targets in real time. This tool is particularly useful for those who want to track price action through the lens of smart money rather than rely solely on traditional indicators. What makes this indicator especially valuable is its ability to identify key structural shifts automatically. It flags two crucial events: break of structure, or BOS, signaling trend continuation, and change of character, highlighting potential reversals. Both are presented clearly on your charts, colored to distinguish bullish and bearish moves instantly. Additionally, the indicator detects order blocks, areas where institutional buying or selling has occurred, and marks them visually. These zones are critical, as institutions frequently return to mitigate positions at these levels. An integral part of understanding institutional intentions involves identifying liquidity areas. The indicator automatically detects equal highs and equal lows, effectively marking potential liquidity pools where price could move next. Complementing this feature, fair value gaps are identified clearly, showing you areas of inefficient price action likely to attract institutional attention in future price movements. The visual clarity doesn't stop there. LuxAlgo also incorporates premium, discount, and equilibrium zones, vital to assessing if current price levels offer good risk-to-reward ratios based on institutional valuation. This visual layer significantly enhances your ability to make informed trading decisions at critical junctures. The indicator further accommodates a multi-time-frame approach, tracking daily, weekly, or monthly swing highs and lows. Traders who prefer aligning short-term signals with higher time-frame context will find this feature particularly valuable, providing enhanced confidence and clearer perspective on market structure. For more advanced traders, LuxAlgo provides extensive customization. You can select historical mode for a detailed back analysis or present mode for clarity in live trading. The indicator also allows precise adjustments, including color themes, volatility filters, such as ATR-based or cumulative range-based, and fine-tuning of signal sensitivities. However, the greatest value comes from strategically integrating LuxAlgo's Smart Money Concepts Indicator with other analytical tools. For example, pairing this indicator with Zierman's dynamic RSI regression bands provides traders a dual confirmation method, identifying moments where structural breaks coincide with momentum exhaustion. Similarly, integrating Chris Moody's custom MACD can reinforce entry signals by aligning momentum shifts with smart money patterns. Ultimately, the Smart Money Concepts Indicator by LuxAlgo is not about signals in isolation. It's about reading context and letting the chart show you where liquidity, structure, and behavior meet.